What a beautiful morning it is out here in Los Cabos. We're having a fantastic morning, about to go on a beautiful boat. It is Nikai's birthday. You know, we're gonna go and celebrate on the boat, have a fantastic time. Nikai, do you have any thoughts?
I am so excited for this boat ride. The sun is shining. We're having a great time, feeling great, and just ready to get on this boat. Let's get it.
Exactly. So right now we're basically following this line right here, and this line is going to take us to our boat. Such an exciting time out here in Cabo. Let's do it.
So we're boarding on the boat right now, and we have to give our boarding pass to this guy over here. So it's a catamaran, and the company we're going with is called EcoCat. So we're really excited. This boat looks lovely. Hello, hello. So I'm just gonna take you guys around the whole boat. It's a 100-foot boat, and ooh. Oh my goodness, it has a beautiful net that we can just lay out here and just enjoy our time.
All right, guys, right now I'm feeling like Jack from Titanic. We're having a fantastic time over here at this beautiful boat. Wow, it's gonna be a fantastic day. Beauty here is just, you know, mesmerizing. The boat is like a beautiful catamaran, and we know all in all, it's just gonna be an exciting, adventure-filled, snorkel-filled, and, you know, filled and energy-filled day. So we're gonna go ahead and have a great time. Let's do it. All right, and just like that, guys, we have finally hit the water. We just came out of the marina, and I mean, the open waters are already feeling cooler. They're already feeling better. We're having a great time right here. You know, I'm just looking fantastic as well. I mean, look at these amazing mountains right there and a little beach. What I have heard is that there's a lot of snorkeling spots right in front of those beaches, so I am potentially excited to go explore those later on. Wow, the water is just feeling amazing. I'm really excited to also get in the water, just because, I don't know, it's a hot summer day, and when in Cabo, right, you've got to get in the water, you've got to experience the boating life, and of course, we're at this beautiful EcoCat boat. It's a catamaran, it's a 100-foot boat, and we're just, you know, cruising through everything, and I mean, the sailing feels extremely smooth as well. So yeah, all in all, finally hit the water, having a fantastic time. Let's do it. All right, and just like that, guys, we finally made it to our first viewpoint. The Arc right here in Cabo, the iconic rocks that you're able to see right behind me is basically the base of the tourism out here in Cabo. We're having a great time out here exploring the Arc, exploring the waters, the rough waters of the Pacific are on that side, the calmer waters on this side. As you guys can see, we're able to see the whole coastline of Cabo, where basically all the resorts are. But again, everything is centered towards this bad boy right here. This is the Arc, and we're having a great time right here. Let's go.
So we made it to the Arch. So I'm gonna take you guys on this side of it. Everyone's taking pictures. We're getting various different angles, so I don't want to photobomb over here. But as you can see, the Arch is back over there, and we're having a fantastic time. The water looks marvelous, multicolored, turquoise blue ocean, beautiful rock formation, and we're having a fantastic time.
You just hold it. We're gonna go over there. Okay. You just hold it like that, just over there. Alright guys, so we have finally made it to basically the tail end of our stop right here at the Arches. We're having a fantastic time. Basically leaving the Arches right now. I mean, the view of the Arch in the back is looking glorious. Nikai, what are your thoughts?
I'm just so happy to be here. This was such a great bucket list thing for us to at least see the Arch in Cabo once, right? So yeah, we're having a fantastic time. And I'm so glad we got to see this rock formation.
Absolutely.
I mean, we're big nature people, so this is such a lovely sight to see in person.
Yeah, absolutely. Amazing times right here in Cabo. Let's go. The Arch, baby.
Woo!
Gracias.
Gracias. So we're just about to get ready to snorkel. We have our gear, our life vests, our flippers are down here, and I'm really excited to start this snorkeling journey and see all the fishies that they have out here. Sam, are you excited?
I mean, absolutely. We're having a fantastic time right here. Apparently, we're going to Santa Maria, which is about like a 30 to 45 minute boat down from the arches. We can't even see the arches now, but this is where the best reefs in Cabo exist. And that is exactly, we're gonna go ahead and explore, and we're really, really excited to see what's down there. Let's do it. We're having a fantastic time, snorkeling right here, experiencing Cabo's snorkeling experience, and I have to say, we're having a great time. The fish are basically getting chummed right now, and they're all over here. All over. What a fantastic time it is out here in Cabo.